How to create a report in monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a report in monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. Once when you log in, you can click on this plus icon, and this is the homepage, by the way, where you will be redirected to. And from here you can click on board and start with template. Here what you can do is you can type in report, and you're going to get some reports right here, which is a QA report, software request report, OKR report, incident report, bug report, grants management, and expense report. So we're going to go with this because this is the 90% formats of most of the reports. And the beauty of monday.com is that it's going to create you a beautiful custom made template that you can use, and you don't have to do anything. It will be made for you. So here you go. This is the report, and these are the months for January, February, March, and you can add new groups and add more months to it if you want. And you can change the items from here. If, for example, I have a company and I want to make a financial or expense report, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put the items of expenses here. Like if, for example, we have flights, we have to attend some conferences, some seminars, and we have to go there by air. So this will be your flight expense. This is the gas and water expense that occurs in the office. This is the office equipment. This is the office rent. So these are the expenses, and we can write description here, like what comes in office equipment, stationery, and computers and all that stuff, and timeline as well, like what is the duration of these expenses, and we can also assign an approver here who is going to approve it, verify it, and approve it. And here it's the beautiful part of this report is that we can also segregate our expenses, that what is the expense type, like is it for business or it's for personal. For example, sometimes CEO also use the business expenses for their personal use. Payment method, how are the expenses paid, through debit card, credit card, or cash. Current status, like is it paid or it's not paid, and payment date as well. So this is how you actually make a report. And here you have a dashboard as well, which is going to give you a graphic representation of all the expenses, total expenses, and per month expenses through debit card, Amex, credit card. We can add more uh, widgets here if you want. And this is also a Gantt chart. A Gantt chart comes with it, which is going to describe how the expenses look like. And we can we can add more fields here if we want, but that's completely up to us. But this is how the basic report structure is on monday.com. So I hope that you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this in the future. I'm gonna see you with more videos. Thank you for watching.